Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode of the Explain series with our host Dr Bret Palmer. And so part of my job is I also deal with contraception. Obviously that's part of sexual health as well. And one form of contraception that's not particularly well known is the contraceptive patch. And so this is going to be a short video to explain what the contraceptive patch is. And so it is, looks like a little nicotine patch. It's a small square that holds the contraception hormones in place. So it's a hormone-based patch. You need to put it on your shoulder. It could be also on your back. It could also be on your thigh. It should never be anywhere near the breasts, for example. Okay, so stay clear of that. You put one patch on, it lasts a week, and then you take the patch off and then replace it. It should always be in a position where you can feel it and when you can ideally see it. So that way you know you can just check if you've got contraception on board. So you have one patch 1 week for about 3 weeks, then you take around about a 5-day break. So if you forget a day or two, it doesn't really matter so much. And then you restart the patch again on day 5 and then go through the whole cycle. When you have that patch-free period of about 5 days, you'll start to have a hormonal withdrawal bleed. Okay, remember to restart the patch on day 5 regardless of whether you're bleeding or not. The patches are effectively the same contraception that's in the combined hormonal pill, so it contains estrogens and progesterones, and it is quite a popular method for individuals who know about it. So a lot of individuals are oblivious about it because they only think of contraception as either some kind of coil or implant or pill, but the patch is a really, really good alternative, especially if you get stomach effects with the pill. And so for those individuals, and for many others, I recommend the patch as well. It's very, very easy to use. You don't have to take it every day, but I would advise you to set a reminder in your phone to make sure you replace the patch on time. So one of the biggest problems with the patch is that can sometimes cause soreness, and so that way you move the patch around. So in 1 week you may put it on your arm, another week you might put it on the other side but on your shoulder, another week you might put it on your thigh or your buttock. The patch itself is very, very effective, and because absorption is in a different route, like I said previously, it doesn't matter if you have any stomach problems or bowel problems and you're worried about absorbing various pills. The disadvantages people don't like about the patch is it can be visible. It does depend what you're wearing. Some individuals may get hormonal effects, which you can get with any form of hormonal contraception in terms of feeling of bloating, mood changes, and as with all combined hormonal contraception, there's also a small chance of an increase of a blood clot. In terms of where you can get the patch from, in the United Kingdom, it's available from your family doctor, from your GP, from your local sexual health clinic, and sometimes also direct from pharmacies, depending on the setup between your GP and your pharmacy. And this episode is not a consultation. This is very, very basic information of what the patch is. Look after yourself, take care, and see you in the next episode.